Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Febrian. Today I will present my first portfolio for this course, Data Science and Artificial Intelligence course in PISA AI. My first portfolio about classification, Gaussian NaiveBayes, and why I choose this portfolio, because this is the basic for classification algorithm, and this is include in supervised learning with data set. There is a label or target inside, and then there's a data type nominal or categorical, and we can then our next portfolio will be another algorithm for classification, such as Canary Snakebird, Decision Tree, LGA, SVM, etc. Okay, this formula for Gaussian NaiveBayes, there's counting probability for prediction, that probability of A occurring given evidence B has already occurred, and then the equation is probability of B occurring the given evidence of A already occurred times probability of A occurring divided by probability of B occurring. Okay, this tutorial NaiveBayes, first of all we must import our library to our Google Colab for Python. Interpreter also can call the library NumPy, and then Matplotlib, and then Pandas and Seaborn for graphical, NumPy for array, Matplotlib for graphic, Pandas for data frame. Then the second thing to do, we must import our dataset. The dataset I took from car insurance data insurance claim of a cars by Signicroy in Kaggle, link included, or I try to upload in here my data set. So we can type a dataset with Pandas library. We can read the CSV file. Okay, and then I take the data set. This is how many data row and column. There's 10,000 row data. This is the data, the CSV, and this is 19 column. If we take the first 5 row with dataset head, we got this column: ID, age, gender, race, driving experience, and the outcome. So this is the target that we try to predict from these 18 other feature. Of course, there's ID, we will be dropped from the feature, and the label or the target will be in the outcome, with this feature predict outcome the person will loan or not, or claim the insurance. Okay, and then after we take the shape, and check our 5 row, and then we got the info in here. We check the count the non-null or there's non-null if there are any null number in the cell or in the data set. So we try to describe. Of course, we describe we can count the amount of data, and then the mean, the standard deviation, min and max. And the third will be data cleaning. With the data cleaning, we can create make the nominal categorical to be can be damaged to nominal, and dataset 8 replaced with 16 from 16 to 25 to young, and etc. And then we cleaning our null, not with we fill with the min or the rata-rata or average, yes. And there's the 2 column that already have null data, credit score and annual mileage, and we try to make this information again, so we got a non-null data set. And then the next thing to do is exploration data analysis. We count the data, and the outcome or the loan is symbol with 0, and not loan with 0, loan with not 0. 6,867 and 3,133. And then we make our visualization for our data with subplot matplotlib library subplot. This is the pie chart and bar chart, and then we make a distribution with variance distribution for every column, and then we make a correlation metric ID with other feature and target. Then next we get data processing. Of course, we drop our ID and outcome for variable X, and then we make a variable Y only in the outcome for the label or target. And this script make the non-numerical and non-nominal we create with numerical, or so we can process with the modeling. And then we got 24 column because this column or feature, this is this new P expert amateur, we add with 0 or 1 nominal, P nominal. And then this is for the Y for the outcome, and then we we split the data and we try we with scikit-learn model library we train and split 25% for testing and 75% for training. This is we try to check our train head, and then we make this standard scalar for make not too much gap from the nominal, and then we try to build the model from prediction with NaiveBayes Gaussian NaiveBayes. We use a library scikit-learn NaiveBayes import Gaussian NB. We create the classifier and we feed its X train and Y train, and then we predict X test, and then we evaluation and the evaluation with confusion metric. We got this result CM confusion metric, true positive and false no loan, and predicted claim loan, and this is true positive and false positive. This is for the testing from 1000 data. This is total 2500 for testing, and this accuracy score 0.76 or 76% with Gaussian NaiveBayes. I think that's all. Next we try to compare another model in classification like General Sniper, Decision Tree or SVM. Thank you for now. This is my first portfolio. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.